Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the strawberry mojito mocktail recipe. So I have about 5 strawberries here. I'm going to take a couple leaves of mojito. Because this is a mason jar, this is about 330 mils. It's not the same size as your regular tall jar, so you might want to double your ingredients. So I'm going to go in with some leaves. Like I mentioned earlier, I love my mojitos really minty. Next thing I'm going to do is to add, my lime. I cut my lime into quarter. So for this, I'm going to be using just one lime. Just one lime. The lime is actually big. So next you want to go in with your muddler and you want to crush. You're crushing everything. So I'm crushing my lime with my strawberries and my mint leaf. I want to make sure I get some juice or some oil out of the mint leaf. Yeah, that's enough. The next thing I'll be going in, in the regular recipe we use a simple syrup, also known as sugar syrup, but for this strawberry mojito recipe I'll be using my raspberry syrup. Feel free to use your strawberry syrup. I don't have strawberry syrup, hence I'm going for this raspberry syrup. So I'm going to take I'm substituting this my sugar syrup. So I'm going to take about 30 mils of my raspberry syrup, pour it in, add my ice, add about 15 mils of sugar syrup, and then I'll top with my sparkling water. Garnish with some fresh strawberries. So I'm going to go on and garnish with my mint spray.